Just a quick video today, guys. I get a lot of questions about this. I've got a lot of rib videos that I do from start to finish, but if somebody's searching YouTube for how to remove the rib membrane, I thought I might as well have a video out there, and maybe this will help somebody who does find it. So this is very simple. Why do we remove the membrane? We remove the membrane because it helps to tenderize the ribs through the cooking process. Also, that membrane can be kind of chewy. For some people, they don't like it. Some do like it. Some people will just score it with marks, going sort of hatch marks across. That sort of helps it to tenderize a bit and not tighten up as the ribs cook. But for us, we like the ribs to be pretty tender, and the best way to achieve that is to remove the membrane. So all you're going to need is a butter knife and some paper towels. You're simply going to take the butter knife and you're going to find a spot here where you get underneath the membrane. Very simple. So now that we're underneath that, we can see. We're going to take our paper towel and we're just simply going to pull this up. Again, all the way from this far end, and bring this straight across. And as disgusting as that may look and sound, it's that easy. If you want more rib videos from start to finish, I'll put a playlist at the end of this video and up here in the iCard above, and I'll put some other video links down in the description. Take care, till next time. I'll see you on the next video.